Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have CUBOT KingKong Mini 3 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your games or application as Mobile Legends games or something like that are not visible on your device, as in my situation. When you try search your game or application but you can't download it, you don't have it there, you must go back to main menu of your smartphone and tap on your photo on the right corner. There are settings, family and parental control. As you can see now we have page 3. To visible game or application as Mobile Legends games we need more than page 3. To change it we tap there. Now we must enter connect pin to our parental control. And we can easily change it by tap on page 16, maybe confirm by got it and save. And that's all. We can also turn off our parental control by switch off. And we can go back and try search Mobile Legends games, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!